The important thing with the stencil is to have much older adult supervision. May I introduce to you Jackie B.
Am I even in frame? I mean, hi.
Hi, Jackie. What are we doing here today?
I don't know. Willam just texted me and said, come on down to Precinct. And as you can see, I wasn't ready. I was just sitting around the house.
Is he dead yet?
Unfortunately, no. That proves that prayer doesn't work.
Well, we are living on a prayer with this Precinct dressing room makeover. And one of the things that we want to do is cater to all of our performers, those who may be memory challenged. Jackie, I told you to shut off your vibrator.
Oh my God. I'm so glad you took that improv class back in the 90s.
Yeah, you taught it, remember? Okay, so what you need to...
Yes, and. Well, one of my pet peeves is when they don't have a wastebasket in the dressing room, because I am a naturally clean and neat person, and I always like try to clean up after myself, and then I'm just like, hey, where am I gonna put these, fingernails once I rip them off? But it wasn't bad, it just wasn't good. If you're gonna work with Willam, you better be ready for her to whip out a fucking ruler.
You know why.
If this was a cooking show, we would be...
If this was a cooking show, we'd be out of ingredients.
That was body shaming. No, we would pull like the finished product, the casserole out of the, and they wouldn't have to sit through all this. What's that? That's don't do it backwards.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Oh my God, are you dyslexic?
Girl, I'm upside down, you can't.
Good thing you're pretty.
You think I'm pretty?
Yeah. I also think you're dumb. Oh, thank God you're not wearing nails.
I know, they fell off. If you're not wearing nails, you left the shoot early.
Is the Uber here?
May I have an E?
Oh, I get like the drug. E, short for ecstasy.
Also a Courtney Axe song.
Ecstasy.
Who?
This is who we are.
Yeah, good going. Block the camera, great.
I'm sure this is my best angle because I'm so
Angular?
petite.
I mean, I would say you're a global talent. She's shaped like a globe!
Okay, what is going on? Hi.
Sorry.
We don't need all of that. Oh, you're going overboard.
No, I'm not. I want it nice. This is for your legacy.
This is my legacy? Don't say that to me in front of an open fucking window on the second floor. I hope that was paper ripping and not you. Why are we doing? Are you at least paying for my parking? You monetize this, right? Somebody's making money. Somebody's making money off of this.
Okay, now we do the paint. Hey, will you come here and shake this? You're welcome. Ty is a man for all seasons, especially sweatpants season. Okay, that's enough. Just stop showing off.
I'm guessing there's no HR department. This is just like when I put my makeup on.
Light stroke.
Hold on.
Clown white.
You know I'll do it.
Don't do it, bitch.
For all the things you've done to me.
Okay, that's enough.
Your breath smells like cock.
That's my ass.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's dripping and I kind of like it. That's punk rock. Google it.
Yes. Concentrate.
I'm AJ Watkins. A lot of my experiences here at Precinct, it was just a great space for people of color to come together and feel sexy and feel queer and celebrate that.
You can do that too. Just light strokes. Okay, that's good. You did good. You did great, Jackie. Can we borrow your fan? So are you gonna let other people use this, or is it just for you?
Well, a lot of people do mock me and make fun of me for needing a music stand, and then, you know, they fuck up their lyrics. So if you need the music stand, just Venmo me $5 and use it.
Oh wait, I thought this was for hamburgers.
I'm vegan, bitch.
Oh, I'm
I'm
sorry.
a fat vegan. That takes a lot of fucking work.
That's an accomplishment. That's hard to do.
It is. It's very hard to do. It's like being a boring drag queen, but you manage to pull it off.
You think it's done?
I think it's done.
Okay, let's see. Yes! Iconic. The Jackie Beat Memorial Gardens and Music Stand / lasagna tray. Yeah, spin it around. Show everybody on the street. Show everyone how beautiful it is. Jackie B! It's Jackie!
There's a gentleman taking a massive dump on the sidewalk right now.
You didn't tell me your manager was coming.
What happened here?
You?
Do we have a Sharpie?
Yeah, in there.
Okay. You know, I have heard a few stories. I don't want to tell any tales out of school, but I have heard some stories about these makeover shows where they, you know, redo your bedroom and it's all, you know, it looks great on camera, but then when they leave, the whole thing falls apart because it's all, you know, spit and a prayer. So, which is also, you know, sex with Willam.
We got some new lockers for Precinct, and we're just decorating them with some stars. Well, I'm gonna put my favorite star on this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see red. How about blue up here top?
Yeah, I love that one.
She'll be our blue girl.
Blue girl, I'll use that one. I like blue. Almost done. 246. 227. Where's
227. Where is
Mary. Mary. Delegate.
Okay, Delegation Lopez.
So we really wanted to include all of our sisters, especially the boogers. So we got Detox here with her little dog. I'd fuck me. First, you peel the back off. Peel it back, peel it back, peel it back for me. Okay, and then you carefully mount it to the wall. Okay, now you need some rope so I can be done with this project and jump. Where's my bucket? Aurora, will you bring me my rope and bucket, please? Thank you, honey. Thank you so much, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Do you need the bucket as well?
Momentarily.
Okay.
This bitch trying to give me a bucket. Maybe, oh yeah, right from here, honey. Bucket. Let's get ready to put the fan up. Wherever we were gonna do that, and the hooks. Can I have the bucket? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I don't need all this, look. Hold the Vaseline. Come on, Arthur Ashe. We got the baby too. Okay. Just like that. Feels like a home. I did something. I did it. Okay, where are we putting this fan? Hey, thanks for everybody who helped. I'm gonna climb this tree and jump from it now. I'll see you at the funeral. I got room for 6 bottoms. Let's go. The first step is we take the Mod Podge.
What is this?
Mod Podge?
You can get this where?
Anywhere.
At like a hardware store.
Hardware store.
Arts and crafts?
Arts and crafts.
Okay,
So
great.
it's like a consistency.
So that's just a simple product you can get anywhere. I love that.
Because if you spray paint on top of this or paint on this, it will crumble and crater. You put the lotion on its face,
Honey.
like so. So
Is this
like,
La Mer?
thick?
Looks like you at the end of a long weekend, Eddie. Just coated, honey.
Weekend. You get a nice little layer of her. There we go.
Ah.
Gorgeous.
worse.
Just dapple it on. This is the drippings can.
Lost my nails.
Okay.
Dripping around on the dripping spot.
Beautiful.
What is this? Just run-of-the-mill glitter, or is this Suck Less Face and Body cover boy?
No, that's all gone. That's a
Front
different
full
time.
screen?
This is the
American Apparel?
artisanal
Quibby?
How many people can we bankrupt?
It's just glitter, though.
It's just glitter.
Okay. Oh, and it's going to... I put my finger right in it.
Oh, man. What you do is,
Oh.
and then you do a couple coats like that. You can put another Mod Podge coat over it, and then more of this.
Really? So
Yeah.
the hodgepodge will be clear.
Okay, yes. And then it'll look great on a wig tree. Yay!
She looks good.
She looks good!
Ornacia!
Ornacia could never. All right, cool. Gorge. We don't like her no more. Here.
Oh God. Oh God. My eyes are open now.
No, shut him, bitch.
Well, you just fell.
Shut him.
When can I open? I want to see.
5, 6, 7, 8. No.
Oh shit, it's bright. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so big now.
So
The
big.
fat girls can walk in here next to each other. And the lights are so bright. What's that? Is that you?
What?
Is that you? I didn't know you had a small dog.
Yes, we also have the lubrication station. A couple of options in the fat slut bucket.
Wait, I want to. Is this like a wig head tray?
Yeah, it's a wig head tray.
Oh wow.
It grows wigs.
It got wig on it. Put your wig on her. Take your wig off.
Get my wig, get my wig.
Take your wig off.
No, no,
quick,
no,
put it
no,
on. The cup holder is genius because so many times girls knock the cocktails over.
Uh-huh. These
Is that real marble?
Uh-huh.
From Italy?
Marble countertops. Well, not this one, but these ones.
Are you rich, mommy? Wow.
Just a little gay spaceship design on the floor and the ceiling. Just a little something. New lockers. The Jackie Beat Memorial Music Stand.
And are these? Does this come with the room?
You're a little hungry? That's perfect. Can I present you the inaugural Meatball drawer?
Sure. Oh my God, you're sick.
It's burnt, be careful. Wait. Oh my God.
Hey, why is this part burnt? Oops.
I forgot to sprinkle that great topping on it. Little white stuff.
Oh, Parmesan. I love Parmesan.
No, stupid cocaine.
Ah!
Okay, let me show you the other drawers. Okay, this is the Willam drawer. That's
Willam!
my purse. We got to be, we got lighters because girls steal. Some Lysol wipes because I want clean station.
Clean station,
Clean
everybody.
station means clean pussy. So I tell all my girls. We got lighters, my book, some got to be. Bullshit button. This is what Trixie donated.
Trisha!
So beautiful, right?
Oh my God, a new mirror?
Uh-huh.
A
And this
picture
is-
of her?
This is the Trixie one. 2 palettes and then 8 other items.
Is this for just any girl?
Uh-huh. Yes, thanks girl, we love you. This is the very important Courtney Act drawer. We got a drawer full of Tina and some rock crystal. Lovely gal, yes. Glam and Go, Wigs by Vanity. Tina, Tina, Tina! A drawer full of Tina for Miss Courtney. Love you, girl. Here's what Kim donated.
Yeah!
She's got the Puff Puff Pass, she's got the palette. She sent like 19 different palettes. She got all these lip things. She got like 5 of the, there's so many things. Sharpeners, pencil sharpeners. Oh, girl always needs a pencil sharpener.
Wait, give me this.
Girl, there's 9 different powders under there. She said multiple. Do you want your travel size too, honey?
Yes, always.
Yeah, look at all of these
This is what I use
luxury
for blood.
goods.
Camera! The
Yeah.
light up mirrors! Okay, no
This
batteries.
pencil sharpener?
A little lazy, Kim. A little lazy.
Look at how cute this Kimchi pencil sharpener.
Oh my God, I love it!
Yeah, so the girls sent that
Wait,
stuff.
you really are providing
And
for the.
then
Oh!
Harry Meek had a bunch of Mac stuff left over from this Gaga tour. So
Lady Gaga touched this?
I put it in my in Candace Birkin and we brought it down. Oh good, let's be loud now.
Turn that off for 5 seconds.
No, it's fine. Oh, and this is the RuPaul drawer.
No.
She sent us some yaki
Okay, I love that.
and some Remy
I love that.
and some.
Pop Smart.
Oh, she's gonna pop the corn and feed the children. She said.
I love that for
Thanks,
her.
Rue. We love
Thank you, Rue, so much. Thank you for supporting gay art.
Love you.
Edit that out. I don't want to be a part of whatever that is.
Okay. I think we're.
Willam, you did it!
Yeah.
No, I just want to say thank you so much. We really did need an upgrade. The room was kind of a nightmare. And you really turned it around.
I feel like this cancels out the blackface from 2008, right?
No, I think we should bring blackface back.
I want to paint the walls black.
Let's do it!
paint it black.
Rhea, say the N-word again.
Okay. No.
Yes,
that's progress.
No.
Yes. New.
Thank you, Willam.
Thank you so much for allowing me to give this space to all the girls, even the ugly ones.
Why'd you look at me?
Gotta
You're a
go.
girl.
This is the hot cocoa bar. We're gonna have some cocoa somewhere. Yeah, so a girl can stretch her legs before she gets up. Ooh, ooh.
See, look there. We should have put the ballet bar up there.
Guys, placing that bar, bitch. And also, I know you always try to give back to your fans, so we wanted to give you a fan.
Oh my God, it's a mountain too!
And it comes in 3 speeds. Normal,
Whoa!
regular, and meatball.
I need that right now. It's so hot in here. Oh, I feel like I'm on the front of the Titanic. I'm flying, Jack.
Ooh, Dance from Divas!
Let's see that.
Brand new dressing room!
Brand new dressing room. Thank you to my rich white friend.
Hey, I'm Sherry Vine here in the brand new remodeled dressing room of Precinct downtown, where Willam and Alaska have graciously redone the entire dressing room. It's bright, it's colorful, the counters are finally low where they should be. There's a lube station. These are Jackie's tater tots I don't eat. But thank you, Willam, and thank you, Alaska. It is appreciated.
The dressing room is the most important part. We have to be comfortable when we're putting on all of this stuff. The makeup, the pads, the hair. I'm sweaty underneath, but I look good still. Because
how
of
does
a
this
good
make-
dressing room.
And how does this make you feel?
Best! I love it. Oh.
Thank you, Impressions Vanities, so much for the mirrors and Hotel Surplus Outlet and fuck you, Home Depot. I stole so many things.
What'd we take? I want to know.
Those 2 tiles on the floor right there, I stole that.
I was wondering when that got filled in.
I filled it in.
We normally just put a rug over it and let the girls strip.
No, because the rug fucks up your suitcase skills and then it's like, you know, right by there.
Here I am in the new gorgeous dressing room. I want to thank Willam and Alaska. It looks amazing. There's big, giant mirrors, and when you're my age, you really want to look at yourself. And look at the light bulbs. Look at the light bulbs.
You're making quite the impression with these Impressions mirrors.
How gorgeous is this? All joking aside, and you know I'm a total bitch, thank you so much, because this is one of the best performance spaces in all of Los Angeles, and now it has a dressing room to match.
Because what's an act of generosity if you can't exploit it for your own commercial gains?
Courtney read you for dirt.
She really did.
Courtney was like,
I heard you made over the dressing room at Precinct, but surely you were doing it for your own personal gains, or a YouTube video or something.
Courtney knows country.